We did the buggy and the party boat tour on the same day, and the experience was amazing. What we liked most was the team, very attentive, friendly, and with great prizes. You can tell they're professionals and care about everything going well. It was a pleasure chatting with them. The activities were very well organized, especially the party boat tour, great cocktails, a fun atmosphere, not too many people on board, and an easy, hassle-free trip to the location. Thank you so much for everything. Highly recommended. The service and helpfulness were excellent. They were always very attentive and ready to assist us with anything we needed. The tours were exactly as we had booked. Amari is very professional and respectful to tourists, committed and clear about tourist services, and he fully met our expectations for sauna, samana, and airport transfers. I recommend him 100%. For the second year in a row, our excursions during our Punta Cana vacation have been simply magical thanks to Star Trips and the incredible leadership of Amaury Sanchez. From the moment we arrived, Amaury greeted us with his warmth and professionalism, personally ensuring that every moment of our trip was filled with joy and comfort. His dedication is evident not only in the excellent organization of each experience but also in the small details that make us feel truly special. It's rare to find people so passionate about their work and so committed to their clients' happiness. Thank you, Amaury, for making this trip another unforgettable memory. See you next year. Pros. The alcohol was a-flowing. When they say open bar and unlimited, they mean it. The final swimming destination was a blast and beautiful. Cons. This boat was entirely too packed. You were lucky if you could find a seat. It was elbow to elbow. You just go out like a tiny bit from the beach to snorkel. There wasn't much to see, maybe a few fish. There were a ton of boats around. I would probably do more research next time for Sire. It was an only experience. Staff was very nice.